Today we are going to analyze the Barrick Gold Corporation. The ticker symbol is GOLD. The current movement is an uptrend. The uptrend started when the stock went over the $18.37 price. The uptrend will be confirmed when the stock surpassed the $9.74 price mark. The 12-day moving average shows a slight downtrend, with the current stock price negative 0.34% lower than the 12-day moving average. This means that the current price less than 1% higher than the average stock price was for the last 12 days. The RSI is at 56, telling me that the uptrend is not strong enough to be considered. Once the RSI reaches 70 or more, it is considered overbought or, in my opinion, overpriced. The MACD is negative 0.1. Investors are selling this stock. This is still a downtrend confirmation. The stochastic is 27. It's still on oversold or downtrend territory. The downtrend is still confirmed. The PCR is 81.21, meaning that the stock price began the uptrend when the price of the stock rose above $18.21. The Williams R is at negative 64. Another indicator telling me that the movement is sideways, it just went above oversold territory. The Elder Ray indicator shows that bull power is at 0.38, and bear power shows negative 0.17, one positive and one negative, suggests investor indecision. The Ichimoku cloud shows and confirms a short-term downtrend with conversion and base. The conversion line is at $18.86, which is less than the baseline of $19.06. The current price is also between both these lines. The cloud tells me that the long term is on an uptrend because span B at $17.68 is less than span A at $18.95. The current price is inside a thick cloud, which will make the price difficult to penetrate up or down. A good buying price for this stock was at or below $18.34. The top is forecasted to reach $21.74. The forecast dip is $16.65. Remember, buy low, sell high. If I had made gains on this stock in the near future, I would sell for profit. At the current stock price, I would buy. If you would like to follow other popular stocks, go to www.companyvalueinvestor.com. Click on the Analysis Hub or picture. Here you will find some of the most popular companies that you can use to analyze and use to make your trading and investment decisions for free. You will find several different companies from every sector in the stock market. If you would like to help expand the Company Analysis Hub, please subscribe to the channel, share, and comment.